In business, now more than ever, teams need to be able to adapt quickly, efficiently, and creatively to achieve their goals. And they need effective administrators to help them do it. If you're an organizer and interested in the tools that help run businesses, then our administration and technology program can help you. Grow your confidence, broaden your skill set, and become an attractive employee to any business by taking advantage of this fees-free program. From using telecommunication systems, creating office documents and spreadsheets, to accommodating customers, you'll learn the skills to help contribute to the performance and the productivity of any workplace. We've designed a relaxed and safe learning environment so you can get the most out of our in-class teaching, tutorials and projects where you'll see your learning applied in action. If you can commit to 20 weeks, you could be jump-starting your journey to office rock stardom. You'll need to have access to an internet-connected digital device to fully participate in this program. Here at Te Wānanga o Aotearoa, we want you to succeed, which is why we offer a range of free services to our students, including student support, program support, online tools and access to world-class facilities around the country. For more information, see our program details online at twoa.ac.nz or come and see us at one of our 80 sites around Aotearoa. See you soon, e hoa ma.